What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video we're going to be putting a carpet into the 720. I will put a link down in the description, that way you guys can go and check it out yourself. Now I went with ACC, which is Auto Custom Carpets. You can see right here. Now if you purchase this off their website, I believe it's like $250. But if you guys order this on the link that I have down in the description, it's about $100 cheaper. Now I went with black. I got mine for a regular cab. You can see right there. They do make them for king cabs as well, I believe. But they do make them for your specific vehicle, which I think is pretty cool. Now I am going to need to purchase a couple more pieces of just cloth. Doesn't have to be carpet material, because I am going to be covering the back. So it turns out that maybe we do have a cover for under the seats. Now we just got to let it sit out here for a little. That way it can kind of take its shape back. I'm sure it's been folded for a couple months at least. These are basic scissors. You don't need anything fancy to cut it, since it is just cloth. Now, you might struggle a little bit since there is multiple layers. Just your standard scissors will do the job. I also cut a good chunk back here. It's all the way up here. You could barely see it, just so it would slide in underneath the heater core. So now that's all good to go. Now that I got the front carpet somewhat done, now I'm gonna throw this rear piece that it came with, which is actually super cool. I didn't know it was gonna come with this. It didn't say anything about coming with it. So this is supposed to go back here. So this is a single cab. It goes under your seat, so you don't really see this one that much. But I'm glad it came with it, because I was gonna have my center console exposed like this for a little bit, and these outer pieces over here, since the seat doesn't go all the way out here, it goes to right here. Now all I have to do is pull the mess out of here, pull the front carpet back out, lay the rear portion of the carpet that I had already cut, make the holes a little bigger, and then we'll be able to put the main carpet back on. And I just gotta remove my amp, and then we'll be able to lay it and tuck it up where we need to. Of course, with my luck, I didn't check, and right now I popped the cap off. Turns out that the nozzle is broken, and all the stores are closed today, so it's not like I can go and buy one of these. Whatever, it's all good. We'll figure something out right now real quick. I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't look that good, but it looks 1,000 times better than it did before, and it covers up the sound deadening, which is all I really cared about. Oh, this is looking good. I got the rear carpet in, and now with the back little bit that I put that's black, and the bottom being black, it already gives it a huge difference. And look, it looks way better. Now I just gotta put the front piece of the carpet, and then the whole carpet should be ready to go. Now it just needs a little vacuum to get rid of all of this stuff. But other than a little vacuum, it's looking good in here. Oh, there it is, the finished product. Now I got the whole interior in. I still need to get a shift boot. But for the most part, I have a lot of the interior in now. In the next video, I will be showing you guys how to get a crackless dash like this. Now, if you remember, this dash on this truck was completely shattered, and now it looks presentable. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to fix your cracked dash, I will post a video probably within a couple of days after this video goes live. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and hopefully found it useful. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.